Today in 60 seconds, I'm going to teach you how to build a workbench. Don't know if it's any good, but you'll end up with a bench. I got a bunch of boards cut at 35¼ inches. I got a bunch of boards cut at 25 inches. I got a bunch of 8-foot boards. Gonna need a drill. Gonna need some screws. Longer than that. Gonna screw the 8-foot boards and the 25-inch boards into 2 squares. Then you're gonna space out your supports and put them in. Once all the supports are on, you've made a ladder. If you want to make a workbench, put the legs on. Now that your legs are all on, you're going to flip it into the bottom side. Depending on how square you made it or how bent and warped your wood was, it might fit. Now it's time to cut your plywood or whatever you want to use as a top. My table saw doesn't have a stand, it's not bolted down. This will be interesting. Here's the workbench I ended up with, cut out for the couple of supports that I have in the way. And just to be less wasteful, I used little cut off pieces of 2x4. So I could use cut off pieces of plywood for the shelf down here.